Hi, I'm attorney Gregory Dell, and today's disability benefit tip is file your disability benefit appeal timely. And Stephen, we're talking here about ERISA long-term disability insurance claim denials that require an appeal. What are the time deadlines, and why is it so important to file those within those time frames?
It's 180 days, and that can vary. It can be 180 days from the date of the letter, or sometimes if your insurance company, especially on a transition from own to any occupation, is denying you in advance of that, then they say, we're fine, you won't be disabled as of X date, and then you have 180 days, and the letter will say from that date. But generally speaking, 180 days from when you get that letter. And that's important because if you fail to submit the appeal within that time, you can be barred from pursuing your claim, from filing a lawsuit, doing anything. It's up to the insurance company's discretion if they will accept a late appeal. It's a very, very, very hard deadline, and missing it can really tie the hands of any lawyer and what they might be able to do to help you.
And what does that really mean in terms of submitting your appeal? Like when that day 180 runs and you submit something to the carrier, can you not send anything after that? And what do you have to send before the 180?
No, so usually with the appeal, what they say, because sometimes I will see where people have tried to do it on their own, they'll send records and the insurance company's like, listen, you need to submit a formal appeal. And really that comes down to a letter saying this is my appeal, and you put all your arguments as to why you think they got it wrong, provide additional information. Now it is very important that when you submit the appeal that you already have all the information. You don't want to submit a letter saying this is my appeal, I think you got it wrong, because it's going to trigger their timeline to start the review, and then you're scrambling to send information. So say you submit your appeal, your letter, your formal letter saying I'm requesting my appeal review, this is it, here's all the information. While they're conducting their review, if you do get new information that's helpful, you can certainly submit it to them while they do their review.
Right, and I think the whole point of having this as one of the tips is that people get a denial, they're frustrated, they put it down, and then unfortunately they look at it, they kind of forget about it, or they think it said I have 180 days, and then they might start looking at it 60 days before the deadline, 30 days before the deadline, and it's okay, those people call us and we can help them, but there's a reason they give you 180 days, which is that you really need all of that time to gather new information, get a copy of their claim file and put everything together. And we've done extensive videos, 15, 20 different videos on how to submit an ERISA disability appeal, and a disability appeal video specific to every single disability insurance company. So we encourage someone who's watching this video to check those out. But most importantly is, you don't want to submit on day 181 because the disability insurance company can technically say we're not accepting your appeal, and we've seen them do it.
Yep.
So if you have a long-term disability insurance denial and you need to submit an appeal, or you've already submitted an appeal and now you've been denied and need to file a lawsuit, feel free to contact Stephen or myself. We'll immediately provide you with a free consultation and review of your denial or the appeal that you've submitted, and we'll let you know right away how we can help you. We also welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of different tips about long-term disability insurance claims that we believe you will find helpful. It's easy to get in touch with us by calling the number below or submitting a free consultation request. And the best thing about that that's unique to our law firm is that immediately a lawyer will answer your call, or we're going to call you back the same day. So no matter where you live in the country, we'd love the opportunity to help you protect your long-term disability benefits, and we'll be here should you need us.